guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of rats. Number 1. Owl's feature. It may be an uncommon remedy, but the fact is owls feature scare rats and they run away fearing owls' presence. Place owls feature in rats' hideouts and this will force them to leave your home. Finding owls feature is much easy, so you can also use plastic snakes. Place them in your garden, yard, kitchen and elsewhere and this will keep rats away. Number 2. Paper flags. Rats are sensitive toward smells and any pungent smell is enough to drive them away. Not only is the spicy smell unbearable for them, but it also make it difficult for them to breathe. Just sprinkle paper along entryways, corners and hideouts of rats. Check its effectiveness and sprinkle it again in a few days if needed. Number 3. Onions and garlic. Humans don't only despise the smell of onions and garlic, but one of the great home remedies to get rid of rats too. But the sliced onion outside their holes or entryways, this will be sufficient to avoid them from infesting your home. But you have to be extra vigilant while using onions as they'll rot within 2 days and you'll have to replace them with fresh onions. Discard the routine onions as they can be toxic for kids and pets. With garlic, you can simply place garlic cloves as at the entry points of rodents or make a mixture of garlic in water.